Ever poke your bonsai's soil and it's bone dry, but you still stand there thinking, does it really need water though? Yeah, been there. Underwatering is sneaky. It doesn't come crashing in, it shows up like a ghost. Leaves get crispy, branches brittle, and suddenly your tree's out here looking like it's been through a drought on purpose. Let's fix that before your ficus files a complaint. And hey, if this helps, give us a like. Subscribe for virtual high fives. Hit the bell and unlock Master Shaman level. The bonsai gods see your clicks. They approve. The first sign, start with the leaves. Crisping at the tips? Curling inward like they're trying to protect themselves from a wind tunnel? That's your bonsai quietly screaming for water. It's not the graceful yellowing of age or nutrients. It's the dry, sad flake of, please hydrate me. Also check the shine. Healthy leaves reflect light like they're proud to be alive. Dehydrated ones? Flat. Boring, slightly crunchy. Zero charisma. Touch the soil, trust your senses. Stick your finger in the soil. Not the polite surface, poke. Go knuckle deep. If it's dry all the way down, your bonsai is in survival mode. The soil might even pull away from the pot edges like it's given up on relationships. Bonus tip? Lift the pot. If it feels suspiciously light, like where did the tree go light, it's dried out like last year's toast. Your bonsai doesn't need vibes. It needs water. Check the tree's posture. Look at the posture. If your bonsai is slumped like it just got bad news, that's a clue. Branches that snap instead of bend. A trunk that looks slightly wrinkled or hollow like it's aging in dog years. That's thirst. Imagine a sponge. Hydrated, springy, full of life. Dry, stiff, fragile, ready to crumble under pressure. That's your tree right now. Sad sponge energy. Here's the twist ending no one asked for. Most underwatered bonsai are victims of overwatering fear. Yup. You're not a neglectful plant parent. You're a cautious one. Root rot horror stories got you shaking the watering can like it's a weapon. But listen, being scared to water means you're tiptoeing around your tree's needs. What it wants isn't constant water. It wants timing, depth, awareness. You don't need to overwater. You just need to water well. Rehydrating. Like a hero, all right, your bonsai's thirsty. Here's how to help it bounce back. Fill a tray with water, set the pot in it, let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. You'll see bubbles rise. That's the dry soil screaming, finally. Lift it out. Let it drain. No swamp zones. We're hydrating, not drowning. Give it a day or two. Watch the leaves. Watch the posture. It'll tell you when it's feeling better. Trees don't lie. Prevention is the move. Watering isn't a schedule. It's a relationship. Check your tree daily. Feel the soil. Lift the pot. Look at the leaves. Talk to it if that's your thing. The bonsai gods are listening. Species, pot size, soil mix, sunlight, it all matters. But your senses matter more. Over time, you'll know when your bonsai needs water the way you know when your pet's hungry. Instinct. Some people water daily. Others wait for near-dry soil. So, who's right? Is there a universal bonsai watering rule? Or are we all just winging it with confidence? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely want to hear the chaos. An underwatered bonsai isn't a failure. It's just a quiet request. And every time you catch it early, you become a better tree whisperer. So give your bonsai a deep, thoughtful drink. Then give yourself one too. You're showing up. You're learning. That's what growth looks like. Roots first, then branches. Even the thirstiest trees find green again. See you next time.